and Tamil. This is our spoken Hindi learning YouTube channel and I welcome every one of you. Once again I am very happy to welcome you in our new video. It is about dry fruits and nuts. Dry fruits and nuts which gives us healthy life, which gives more immunity, more health and gives more minerals to our body. The dry fruits and nuts we say meva, meva, or we can say it like suke meva. Today we are going to see suke meva onke naam. Suke meva is dried fruits and naam is name. Today we are going to see suke meva onke naam. We know well, commonly we use the dried fruits and nuts like almond, cashew, dates, raisins, pista, fig, saffron, etc. etc. So one by one we are going to see today. We say almond. Almond we say badam. Almond we say badam. Badam. Badam is almond. The apricot which is dried is called khubani. Dried apricot is called khubani. K-H-U-B-A-A-N-I. Khubani. And cashew, we say cashew nut, we say kaju. There is a famous sweet called kaju katli. Kaju roll. So cashew is called kaju. Dates. There are two types of dates. One is a dried one is little wetty. That wet dates we say khajur and the well dried one we say chuhara. Dates we say khajur and chuhara. Khajur is little wetty, chuhara is dried one. Raisins we say kishmish. Raisins we say kishmish. Pistachia or pista we say same word in Hindi pista. Pista we say same word pista. The desiccated coconut or dried coconut we say copra or burada. Copra or burada. In common we say nariyal. Nariyal means coconut. That sliced or dried one we say copra or we say burada. Burada. Fig, when it is used dried, it is called same way anjeer. Anjeer. Anjeer is fig. Walnuts, so important for our healthy body, which is called akhroot or akhrot. Walnuts are called akhrot. Saffron. Saffron is very important for the color, for the taste in the sweets, Indian sweets. The saffron is called kesar. Kesar, that's what there are so many names for the sweets. Kesar badam. Kesar badam is a sweet milk gova. Kesar badam is a milk and it is a milk dish which is used, milkshake. Saffron is kesar and we daily use for digestion betel nut and betel leaf. This betel nut is supari. Supari is betel nut. Flax seeds are alsi ke beej. Flax seeds also used in day-to-day life, which is called alsi ke beej. The groundnut or peanut which we use and we take groundnut oil also. Groundnut is called moong phali. Moong phali. Moong phali is groundnut. Lotus seeds. There are lotus seeds for the healthy body. We say makhana. Makhana is lotus seed. Makhana is lotus seed. Even in brinj and biryani or after the lunch or dinner we use fennel. Fennel is saunf. Saunf is fennel. Saunf is fennel. And there is one more product which we use when to prevent the loose motion or something like that, which is arrowroot, which is called arrowroot or arrowroot or arrowroot. So you can have it same word arot. Sugar candy. Sugar candy which is in a diamond shape, which is unshaped, which is called misri. Misri is sugar candy. From the pineapple we take pine nuts also. These pine nuts are called silgoja. Chilgoja, or you can say chilgoza. Chilgoza. The gingery oil is extracted from the sesame seeds and it is called til or tilke beej. Tilke beej. Pumpkin seeds are kaddu ke beej. Pumpkin seeds are also used, which is called kaddu ke beej. Watermelon seeds are called tarbooj ke beej. Tarbooj ke beej. Whatever you know, if you want to know about the seed of that, just you add with that name K beej. K beej. For example, if it is radish seeds, mooli ke beej. If it is drumstick seeds, sahajan ke beej. That's all. K beej you add it. Muskmelon seeds are called kharbooj ke beej. Kharbooj ke beej. One more English nut which is chestnut. Chestnut we say like shahbalut. Shahbalut. Shahbalut, which is chestnut. So far we have seen whatever the general nuts and dried fruits we use in our day-to-day life. I have listed them and I have presented you. If you have any doubt in this, kindly ask me in the comment section. There is a board image also there, you can click and watch. WhatsApp group link also given in the description. Please do join through the link. My children's YouTube channel is awaiting for you. Pasa Malargal. Kindly see the channel, motivate the siblings channel, motivate them, encourage them, share and support. Namaste. Dhanyavad.